In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in a Substack post. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to add video: linking from a video site and uploading directly from your computer, so your posts look polished and engaging. First, open your browser and head to the Substack website. Click Sign In and enter the email associated with your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete sign in so you land in your dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Create and choose Article. We'll use an article as the example here because it's the most common post type and gives you all the formatting tools you need. Inside the editor, open the formatting options and select the code block. This creates a clean, dedicated box where you can paste a link without extra formatting. Now switch over to YouTube or any reputable free video site and copy the URL of the video you want to feature. Back in Substack, paste that URL into the code block. Substack recognizes many video links and can display an embedded player automatically. If it shows as a link, that's fine too. Readers can still click through. A quick tip: copy the standard share URL to avoid extra tracking parameters and make sure the video is public or unlisted so your audience can view it. If you prefer not to rely on a third-party site, there's another built-in option. Start a new article so you can keep this example separate. In the editor toolbar, click the video icon. You'll see options to upload a file from your computer or record directly within Substack. Choose the one that fits your workflow. Uploading is ideal if you already have a finished video file. Recording is handy for quick updates. After choosing your file or recording, click Continue to confirm. The video will upload and may take a moment to process, depending on its size and your connection. While it processes, you can add a title, write supporting text, and position the video where it fits best in your post. Once your video is in place, whether from a link or an upload, you're ready to share. Add any final touches to your article, like a brief description of what viewers will learn or timestamps for longer videos. When everything looks good, use Substack's publishing options to send it to your email subscribers, publish to the web, or both. That's all there is to it. With these two approaches, you can embed video confidently and make your Substack posts more dynamic and valuable for your readers.